Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's with the 2021 Christmas accent bows. You know we do these kits for every season, every year, and this year we're starting off with 6 beautiful ones, all different styles, so you're definitely going to find one that you love to match your home, and I'm going to show you how to make them. So you've seen me make them a bunch of times. I'm going to start out showing you all the different styles that are available up on shopdeeslouisville.com. And these are very similar to like the cedar bell drop kit, where if you love one of them, it's a super inexpensive, easy way to coordinate your whole look. So maybe you're doing your front entranceway, you want to get one for the mailbox, one for the flagpole, one for the wreath, or all the wreaths hanging on your house. You can get one of them. You can, for a gift, you can get 8 of them to make everything match, because it's a nice, inexpensive way to do it. So all the styles today are $12. You're going to get the kit to make it yourself, and it's just a great way to add a little something special to everything. So first up, we've got this one. I did this one, designed it for all you guys that are like kind of neutrally. Maybe you don't do a specific Christmas theme with a lot of red, but you like the look of like neutrals and winter. So I did a snowflake ribbon, a little green check with a nice seeded eucalyptus. Maybe you're the total opposite of that one. You're a glitter girl. You do champagne, but still neutral. Really beautiful pick here with all kinds of silvers and golds and champagne shades, but that's really pretty neutral person, but with a little bit of sparkle. And then here I've taken like a tree that we sell. So maybe you have like little wooden trees you've gotten from somewhere and they just are simple and you want to add a special touch to it. I've twisted on this accent bow at the bottom. You guys, this one might be my favorite because it has my very favorite blue plaid ribbon on it, a nice piece of red, and then again, some eucalyptus, a little few blueberries on that one. And all I did was just twist it onto the bottom, but how cute would that one be even on a lantern or on a wreath? Super adorable. And then over here, I did 2 versions of this fun glittery one. So if you like the fun, maybe you have kiddos and you like all red and greens, I love this one. It's kind of like Grinchy, elfy, really pretty. It's just reds, greens, and whites. Or maybe you like Mackenzie Childs, a little black and white in your design. You can also get this same accent bow with black and whites added in too. All I've done is twist them onto a pre-made greenery wreath. You can see it adds a lot. Maybe you hang these on your window. You could literally go and hang one of these on every window. The other nice thing is too, is you can just tuck them into bookcases here and there. And then there's one more style. It's very traditional. I'm going to show you how to make them too really quick. You guys have seen me make them a bunch though, and I'm sure you all are experts at them now too. But all you need is a pick like this. I've got this one, very classic, very pretty. You're just going to fluff it a little bit and then set it aside, make your bow. Make sure a little bit's coming up and a little bit's going down. And for this one, I chose a very beautiful classic plaid. Look how pretty that is. It's got 2 shades of green, a nice bright red. And then I did a red and ivory stripe. I just wanted to have a look that would match anyone's house. You could easily give this one as a gift because if they have any red in their house, this one will work perfect. All you need is a little bit of wire right in the middle. Tie that off, and then you're going to tie it onto your stem. So you're going to go right where you made that gap and just twist it on. And that wire that you use to tie the bow is what you're going to use to twist it on and off of everything. So all you have left to do is cut those tails. I'm going to go ahead and twist it onto this wreath so you can see how pretty it is. I'm going to grab my scissors and cut those tails. Super simple. It's an easy project, you guys. That took me a couple minutes to make. You can easily make them yourself. And I love this style too. So all 6 of these are up on shopdeeslouisville.com as kits. We will be adding more as more things come in, or if you guys have a particular Christmas look that you like, that you would love to see an accent bow for, comment it below. But head on over there, get yourself 1, get yourself 5, get yourself some beautiful Christmas accent bow kits.